I'm Paul Sanneman with Contractor Staffing Source, and I'm meeting with Amy Nelson from BRYJO, one of our clients. Amy, can you tell me a little bit about your company and what you guys do?
Sure. We're BRYJO Roofing and Remodeling, and we are a roofing and remodeling company here in Plano, Texas. We've been in business for 25 years, and we are residential roofing and remodeling.
Okay. And why did you choose CSS, and what has been your experience with them?
I think we chose CSS because it was recommended to us through our industry, specializing in contractors, and that is our line of business. And prior to that, we ran ads on Indeed and went through all the resumes on our own and tried to do our best recruiting. And we have found with CSS that the assessments and the weeding out process based on the number of applicants that we get because of everywhere that they post has just been really phenomenal and such a help in the recruiting process.
And so, have you hired people through CSS, and how have they worked out?
I was actually hired through CSS.
Well, that's a good. We must be doing something right.
And yes, we have hired everyone since me has been hired through CSS.
Okay. And have they been good employees? You're
Yes,
obviously a great employee because you're there, right?
obviously, yes.
Okay, cool. And how would you say, how many employees do you have?
We have 7 employees.
Okay. And so for a small company like yours, does it make sense that, is a good return on investment for the money you're spending with us?
It's a great return on investment because we're not spending our hours pouring through resumes and interviewing. We are only interviewing people who have completed the assessment and the video interview process, which makes it just streamlined for us internally. We're not spending a ton of resources internally going through and perusing through all of the resumes themselves. We really are just letting the system do its job, and it's really been a big help.
So how much time do you think CSS has saved your company as far as employee hours, if you're just going to guess?
I would say probably in the past year, we would have needed at least a part-time person so what is that? Half a year?
Hours, give or take, right?
Yeah,
Cool. Okay. Well, thank you. I appreciate Amy. And that's an obvious question. Would you recommend CSS to other contractors your size?
absolutely. Yeah,
Mm.
we've had a
Thank
great
you for your
experience.
time.